That was the sound of my Zanzibari kalimba, which I bought in Zanzibar maybe 14 years ago. I love it so much and I use it all the time. This is from a film called Who I Always Was, directed by Cloudy Rhodes. It's a short documentary that follows pro surfer Pauline Mensah, and it's really a critique of the racism and homophobia that was present in the surfing industry when she was coming up 30 years ago. But the film is really a walk down memory lane, and I wanted to use the kalimba because it has this nostalgic, beautiful sound like you're diving into a pool of memory. This is what it sounded like.
Pauline Mensah up and riding.
Showing some great style for the young lady from Bondi, Eastern Suburbs.
I just love surfing so much. I just lived for it. Yeah, it just became such a crazy passion that I never even really thought about my sexuality.